All right, so when you're making a drape mold is just any time that you're using gravity to help your clay do what you want it to do. Right now my clay is flat, and gravity's gonna keep pulling it flat. All right, now I have the basic idea for a mask. I'm gonna go ahead, very elongated. All right, that's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. When you're cutting, it's easier to get a cut with your blade up if you want to curve. And then when I want to go straight, I bring this down. And I'm going to follow along that blade and keep it real straight. That's just a little tip to help you out. Lift it up to go around the curve again. We'll come back around this way. So that should. I pretty much got my shape cut out. I'm going to peel away the excess. For those people at home, you're going to need enough clay to make the size mask you want to make. So if you don't have a lot of clay, you might need to get more clay. All right, I have this shape, but we know that a cranium is not flat. Somebody's face, somebody's head, it's kind of roundish.
So what, you want to put it on a face and wait for like a couple minutes?
Kind of, yeah. I wouldn't put it on my face and wait 12 minutes, but I'm going to put it on something. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a bag. I need a plastic bag to separate my clay from whatever else I'm using. And I'm going to fill this with something. I have a smock. You can use a sweatshirt. You can use a t-shirt. It doesn't matter. We're going to wrap it up, and I have an object. Let's take that out. I have a bunch of other trash bags. Why not? Got a bunch of trash bags. Just throw a bunch of trash bags in here. See how that works out. Oh, you know what? I'm going to keep one for me to store my project, and then I'll use the rest. So let's see here. You can use anything you could put in a bag that will take up space. I wouldn't use a liquid. That would be a bad idea. But t-shirt, sweatshirt, other trash bags, paper towels, anything like that that gives us some sort of form. All right. Now, what I want to do with this, I'm going to scoop my slab over. I'm going to lay my form down, and I'm literally just going to drape my clay over it. Hence the term drape mold. I'm going to touch this up. I'm going to let gravity help me out to help round it off. Round off where I want it to wrap around somebody's face. All right. Gravity's doing wonders here. Thank you, gravity. This is fantastic. I need to store it like this. So I'm going to take, this is why I have it in that plastic bag. I need whatever's in here to be separated from my clay. So I'm going to take this, my bag, my mask, and everything, and put it in another bag. So if you're using, say, a t-shirt or paper towels, you need to make sure to seal off the bag so that that t-shirt's not soaking water out of your clay. Even if there's plastic in between, the fabric will take it right out of the air. All right, at this point, I can wrap this up. Tie this nice and good. And voila. This is something that I can then store somewhere, take care of. It's not going to flop around. It's not going to fall apart on me. And let's see, the next time I carefully open this up, voila. I have still the same shape that I left it in, which is the main purpose on using a drape mold. All right. Drape molds come in various sizes and shapes. We have, where did my plate and bowl one go? I just had them. Aha! They make them for plates. They make them for bowls. They make them all kinds of shapes and sizes. Some of them are not positive drapes. They're negative drapes where it drapes down into something. But in this case, we're just going to drape it over. And it's working like a charm for me. That's a drape mold. Not hard to do. Enjoy.